Alright guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. We're back over here at this other rental, and we're going to go ahead and finish up this floor. I started on it yesterday, been getting footage of it. I was just kind of in a hurry. Got off work and come right over here and started working. So what I'll do is put you guys a time lapse, finish up this floor. Then hopefully later we'll go over to the barn and install the siding on the north side of the barn, and that'll probably be the day of it. So I can sit down and maybe watch the football later on this day. So, all right guys, let's get at this floor. All right, guys, got the floor done. Just got 2 pieces of trim over here to do. Just along that half quarter, just goes right there. The only reason why I didn't put it on because I put this piece here on and didn't 45 it, and I don't have my coping saw. So I'll have to finish that up and then finish up the carpet on the stairs. That's another day. And then scrub up, and this thing's ready to go back out on the market. So hope you enjoyed the little flooring video. It was just me and my son and trying to teach him some of this stuff, so when he gets older he'll be able to do this stuff if he wants to. So it's always good to have some sort of trade to fall back on, and in case whatever your plan A doesn't work out, always good to have plan B. So learning carpentry trade or any of the trades is a good thing. So I'm gonna sign off here, and it's kind of dark in here. I'm gonna sign off, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just give me a thumbs up. I know it's not a homesteading video, but like I said, this is part of what we do, and this channel is everything that we do, including rentals and homesteading. So I'll catch you guys on the next video.